In today's video, made by our team of Trading Techniques Toolbox, we will explore a new trading technique with two indicators, the Alphatrend indicator and the Bjorgum TSI. First, we add the indicators for this strategy. We go to Tradingview and click Add Indicators. Then we type Alphatrend and add this indicator to our screen. Be sure to pick the one made by Kevin Bjorgum, add by clicking once. Next, we type Bjorgum TSI and add it also to our screen. We only need to change the settings of the Bjorgum TSI. Click on Settings of this indicator and open the tab Inputs. Then scroll carefully down until you see the fast setting. Change the long length to 50 and the short length to 10. The rest of the settings we leave on default, and we now are ready for the technique. We will start by taking an example of a buy position. To make a good trade, it is important to keep a few steps in mind. Step 1. Enter the market. We can enter the market whenever we see a buy signal appear on our Alphatrend. But beware, not every buy signal on this graph is good to take our buy position. We also need to confirm this on our Bjorgum TSI. If we see a blue line at this very buy signal moment, in this case we see this happening twice, so we can enter the market 2 times accordingly. Step 2. Place stop loss under last low. We look for a low on our price chart just happening before the buy signal. This gives us an indication for a good stop loss level. In this example, I drew a red line denoted last low and placed my stop loss level a little bit under these red line. Step 3. Exit the market. Now we wait to exit the market on the best possible moment in order to maximize our gains. We can exit the market on 2 possible moments. Option 1. We exit whenever the blue Bjorgum line becomes red. In our first entry on this screen, we did just that and made a good profit. Option 2. We exit whenever the Alphatrend gives us a sell signal. In our second entry, we exited on that exact very moment, banking us a nice profit also. Either option is a viable exit strategy, and sometimes the one or the other exit is better, but we cannot be sure beforehand. In other words, you can choose whichever option suits you best. Are you also tired of analyzing the market all day long? Then Bjorgum Futures copy trading is perfect for you. On this platform, you can copy professional crypto traders that had to prove they were profitable. Once you started copying someone, the progress is 100% automated. Next to the copy trading platform, Bjorgum is the best crypto spot and futures exchange out there. And to make it even better, if you register using the link in the description, you will receive a registration bonus of $5,000 and a lifetime discount on all trading fees. I would like to note the most suitable time frame for implementing this signal strategy. Having conducted thorough backtesting for several weeks, we have concluded that the optimal time frame for this strategy is the 15-minute time frame. Time frames ranging from 5 minutes up to 4 hours are also possible, but somewhat less profitable. In the next example, we will study a sell position. The steps are the same as for a buy position but in reverse. We wait for a sell signal to appear on the Alphatrend indicator. As soon as we spotted such a signal, we immediately look to the Bjorgum line if it is red in color. Having confirmed this, we now can enter the market and place our stop loss level a little bit above the high before our entry position. We then wait for an exit. Again, we can exit 2 ways. Option 1 comes first into play because our Bjorgum line has now become blue. Exiting here, however, nets us only a very small profit. We decide to wait some more and see another possible exit point a little bit further. Again, following exit strategy option 1, Bjorgum becoming again blue and exiting here would make us a good profit. We can also ignore this exit strategy and opt to follow exit strategy option 2 when a buy signal appears on the Alphatrend graph. As we can see, this happens a little bit later and results in some profit also. In this case, the second exit following exit strategy option 1 was the most profitable, but as we already stated, both options can be used according to your preference.